Let me hit you with a truth most people ignore. In the real world, the best win. Hi and welcome to AliValor. So if you are tired of not becoming the best in your profession or in what you are doing, I will be sharing a step-by-step guide today to change and fix that. So stay to the end. Here's why being the best matters. First, it's less competition on the top, means less option to replace you at work or as a customer. There will be not many options to choose if not choosing you. The second, you attract opportunities instead of chasing them. Third, you get to charge more, work less, and choose your clients, jobs, or audience. Being average is crowded, but being excellent is rare. But there is a misconception. Here's what being the best doesn't mean. You don't have to be the smartest in the room. You don't need perfect grades or fancy degree. You just need to stand out. Here's a guide and a plan to be the best in what you are doing. So, first of all, we have to make a list of skills or categories that you have in your profession or business you want to enter or you have already entered. Rank them after first, high demand. Second, highest money back return. The third, difficulty to enter. Now let's go to step number 2. Step number 2 is about trying as many skills or categories you have in your list. Test them so far that you get a good image of what it is to work with that skill or within that category. The third step, you have to sort things up in a list, what you like and what you disliked about each one of them. Now we go to the fourth, and from the list, choose the highest ranked from step number 1, the list you did, but you also liked the most. So for example, becoming a surgeon is number 1 in the list, in step number 1. But you are not seeing yourself working with surgeries after trying it if you are a doctor. But radiology is number 2 in the list for step 1. And you like going through x-rays every day, and that's something you see yourself working with. Therefore now you are going to choose number 2 in the list. It's still high demand, good money, and difficult to enter. But in the same time, it's something you like. And it's not all about money and high demand. You must like it, but in the same time, it must be high rank. That's the criteria. Next, when you know what you are going for, study the path others took to reach it. Don't be afraid to message them and ask. Some will answer you, and some will not answer you. But in the end of the day, you will not lose anything asking someone who work what you want to work with or being. Don't be afraid to ask those who you see successful, because one day they were in your place, and talking to them will open more doors for contacts, but also giving you a better idea how to reach what you want. Step number 6, after what you have heard from people who work in that field, make your own research also and study the path to your goal. And the final step, make a plan and follow it. Maybe things change within the plan, but nothing will beat someone who has an intention, plan, and being consistent. Don't forget that. In the end, I just want to say no one is born great, but those who decide to become great, they win. If you want to create cash flow, find a fulfilling career without neglecting your self-care, then this channel is your roadmap. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. See you in the coming videos. Bye bye.